Hi guys, this is Moti from Athletic Out, and today I'm going to show you advanced shoulder mobility. Stay tuned. So today we're here at the Statue of Faith at Jaffa, which is a really old place and amazing and super beautiful, and gave me a lot of inspiration to show some advanced shoulder mobility exercises. We're gonna work today and do an extremely advanced shoulder opening, and while we do that, it helps us to our handstands. If you're also practicing calisthenics or breakdance or yoga, whatever, you always want really open shoulder. Even if you're doing CrossFit, you want to be able to really arch and open your shoulders and back. So I'm gonna show two advanced techniques, and please be sure to do it only after you've already warmed up. This exercise, I'm gonna go really close to the wall and go down to a squat and up. What's challenging about it is that I want to do it with toes, knees, face and fingers touching the wall and trying to go down as far as I can. Immediately it requires a lot of shoulder activity, so we're actively flexing and not passively flexing, and we'll see that as far as we go down, we need to open the shoulder more and really engage the stomach. So it's a good warm-up, but it's also very intense, so you can start and progress and go down more and more as long as you progress in this variation. We're gonna start with taking our toes and our knees as close as we can to the wall, and our arms, fingers more correctly, and also the face wants to be close as much as we can. And while keeping these 4 points, we're gonna go down and up. So again, all time I'm trying to think toes, fingers, knees, everything close. Shoulder mobility is really activated and core is really activated. And go up. One more. The second exercise I'm going to show is going to be on our hands. We're going to stay and push in a straddle position. So if you don't have a basic chest to wall or handstand, then it's maybe a bit too advanced for you. But what we're going to do is going to go up, straddle our legs, open our legs, and try to take the torso as much forward as we can. So chest, shoulders are opening, while the legs are very active and avoiding me from collapsing. Because we've got this hole here, I can take my torso deeper, more than this line. For the next exercise, I'm gonna go on my hands and continue with the shoulder opening with a straddle, and because there is no wall, I can really go deeper with my torso. So first step first, going up and climbing towards the wall. Right, so I start to stabilize myself while taking the hands closer to the wall. I feel that the shoulders are really opening and the hips is really actually going over. So I'm arching my back, arching my shoulders, and not forgetting to activate also my legs. You can add small moves, but do not exaggerate. And do not collapse with the shoulders. So I'm gonna use the fact that I have two closed walls, and I'm gonna try to straighten my legs while I'm on my hands and really open the shoulders and creating a 7 pose. So legs want to be as parallel as possible. If not, it's okay. And the hips touching the wall and the shoulders arching the back. So I place my fingers and start lifting me slowly. From here, I'm gonna take the hips all the way back to the wall and try to straighten my knees. Now, I can start with a higher position and lower slowly. And I can bend my knees, but I make sure that my shoulders are open. If I close my shoulders, do less with the legs. That's as much as I can go with pushing. And again, guys, this is a very advanced, very intense posture, so do it mindfully, do it carefully, play safe. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to comment and subscribe. See you in the next time.